You're going to launch the simulation, and we are going to be working in healthy body. Yes. We're going to be working in test mode. And for our test, the first thing we need to do is set the activity level to jog. So I'm going to drag this over to jog. So now it will make him jog when it starts. Then in my handout, I'm going to look at right here the simulation settings. So for the control test, the simulation settings are feed 1 fish and 1 corn. So I'm going to give him 1 fish and 1 corn. Once you've set that up, you can press play. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. I'm going to do 1.5. Don't do times 2 because that might be a little too fast. Then we're going to go to the graph view. And we can see at our activity level right here, our person is jogging. The purple line is staying the same because that is the person jogging. And down here, we can see what time we're at. What we need to do is pause the sim once our person stops jogging and starts walking. This tells us that they got too tired to jog and they had to start walking. So I want you to press pause as soon as you notice that this jog here changes to walk. See, right here went to walk, and also this little exclamation point will come up. That tells you that his activity level changed. So now I want to see what time this happened at. So you can drag your timeline by clicking the box. You can drag along. Drag the line exactly to where that exclamation point is. Now I want to record the time that my person stopped walking. So if I look here in between 134 and 136, that's going to be 135. So for trial 1, my control test, I would write 135. Okay, now I'm going to reset test again. And we need to do the same thing for trial 2. I'm going to set it to jog, 1 fish, 1 corn. Press play. Speed it up. Go to the graph view. And wait for the activity level to change from jog. While it's running through, pay attention to other things such as their heart rate, breath rate, and the molecules. So I'm waiting and looking for that exclamation point to come up so that I can pause it and see what time it stops. There it is. All right, so there he is. I paused. I'm going to drag my timeline over. And this one was about 107. So trial 2, I'm going to write 107. So we have completed our control test. Now you're going to complete test A, B, and C on your own. You need to make sure for each test you feed them, have the settings to what it tells you. So test A, you need to feed them 1 fish, and once again, set to jog. Test B, feed 1 corn, once again, set it to jog. Test C is different. Test C is without oxygen. You're going to give them 1 corn, 1 fish, and turn the breath rate off. So I'm going to go into the sim. I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to reset test. I would set it to jog, add the fish and the corn. And to turn the breath rate off, right here, you would click stop. I see breath rate should be set to 0. That tells you that the person will not breathe when you run the test. So that's what you're going to do for test C. All right, good luck.